Hey everyone, and welcome back to this channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart: spiritual growth for beginners. If you've ever felt a pull towards something more, a desire to understand yourself and your place in the universe on a deeper level, then you're in the right place. This is your ultimate beginner's guide to inner transformation. So, what exactly is spiritual growth? It's not about religion, dogmas, or a specific set of rules. At its core, spiritual growth is a personal journey of self-discovery. It's about peeling back the layers of who you think you are to uncover the true, authentic self that lies within. It's about finding peace, purpose, and a profound connection to the world around you. This journey isn't a race. It's a gradual unfolding, a gentle awakening. It's about becoming more aware, more compassionate, and more aligned with your inner truth. Now, you might be wondering, where do I even begin? The most powerful and accessible tool for starting your spiritual journey is mindfulness. Mindfulness is simply the practice of being present. It's about paying attention to the here and now, without judgment. So often, our minds are either lost in worries about the future or stuck replaying the past. Mindfulness brings us back to the only moment that truly exists. This one, you can start by just noticing your breath. Feel the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then gently leaving your body. Try this for just a minute a day. It sounds simple, but this practice can create a profound shift in your awareness and bring a sense of calm to your daily life. Another foundational practice is meditation. Now, don't be intimidated. You don't need to sit in a lotus position for hours. Meditation is simply training your attention and awareness. It helps you observe your thoughts and feelings without getting carried away by them. There are many types of meditation, but a great one for beginners is guided meditation. You can find thousands of free guided meditations online that will walk you through the process. Just find a quiet space, get comfortable, and let the voice guide you. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can reduce stress, improve focus, and help you connect with your inner self. Think of it as a daily mental workout for your soul. As you start practicing mindfulness and meditation, you'll naturally become more aware. This leads us to our next crucial step: self-reflection and journaling. Your inner world is a vast landscape, and journaling is like drawing a map of it. Set aside some time each day, maybe in the morning or before bed, to write down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Don't worry about grammar or making it perfect. Just let it flow. Ask yourself questions like, what brought me joy today? What challenged me? Or what am I grateful for? This practice helps you understand your patterns, triggers, and deepest desires. It's an honest conversation with yourself, and it's one of the most transformative habits you can build. Gratitude is another powerful catalyst for spiritual growth. It's so easy to focus on what's wrong or what we lack. But shifting our focus to what we're thankful for can completely change our perspective and raise our vibration. Start a gratitude journal. Every day, write down 3 to 5 things you're grateful for. They can be big things, like your family and friends, or small things, like the warmth of the sun or a delicious cup of coffee. When you actively look for the good in your life, you start to see it everywhere. This simple act rewires your brain to see the world through a lens of abundance and joy, which is a cornerstone of a spiritual life. An essential part of this journey is connecting with nature. We are not separate from nature. We are a part of it. Spending time outdoors can be incredibly grounding and restorative. Go for a walk in a park, sit by a lake, or just pay attention to the trees and birds outside your window. Feel the earth beneath your feet and the air on your skin. Notice the intricate beauty of a flower or the vastness of the sky. This connection reminds us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, helping to dissolve feelings of isolation and stress. Nature has a profound healing energy, and all we have to do is open ourselves up to receive it. Now, let's talk about connecting with others. Spiritual growth isn't a solitary pursuit. We grow through our relationships and our connection to a community. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, who support your journey, and who you can have open, honest conversations with. This could be a group of friends, a book club, or an online community focused on personal growth. Sharing your experiences and learning from others creates a powerful sense of belonging and accelerates your own transformation. Remember, we are all mirrors for each other, reflecting back the lessons we need to learn. As you go deeper, you'll encounter the concept of the ego. The ego is the part of your mind that identifies with your name, your job, your story. It's the I that constantly seeks validation and fears judgment. Spiritual growth involves learning to observe the ego without being controlled by it. It's about realizing you are not your thoughts or your achievements. You are the silent awareness behind them. This doesn't mean you need to destroy your ego. It's a necessary part of our human experience. The goal is to develop a healthy relationship with it, to recognize when it's driving your actions, and to choose to act from a place of love and awareness instead. One of the most beautiful outcomes of this journey is the cultivation of compassion both for others and for yourself. As you become more aware of your own struggles and imperfections, you naturally develop more empathy for the people around you. You start to see that everyone is fighting their own inner battles. This understanding allows you to release judgment and approach others with kindness and an open heart. And just as importantly, you learn to extend that same compassion to yourself. You learn to forgive your past mistakes and embrace your imperfections. Self-compassion is not selfish. It's essential for healing and growth. Finally, remember that spiritual growth is a lifelong journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, moments of profound clarity and moments of confusion. Be patient and gentle with yourself. Celebrate small victories and be kind to yourself during challenges. The goal isn't to become perfect. It's to become more whole, more authentic, and more deeply connected to the magic of life. Every step you take on this path, no matter how small, is a step towards a more peaceful and purposeful existence. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration today. I hope this guide gives you a clear and inspiring starting point for your own journey of inner transformation. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on living a conscious and fulfilling life. I'd love to hear about your own experiences in the comments below. Until next time, take care and keep growing. You will find a link to the main article in the description.